week 6. So welcome back. We spoke about eat right, move right, drink right, sleep right. These things help us with our weight journey. Most of the time, the most overlooked factor in my patients has been stress. At Be Fit and Fab, the 3 pillars are right nutrition, right lifestyle and right mindset with stress management to uplift your emotional wellness. My expertise as a homeopath helps me see beyond the body, and working into mental health for more than a decade as a founding a mental health company has helped me develop strategies that help you manage stress better. But before that, let's deep dive into what stress can do to you. Stress can significantly impact your ability to maintain a healthy weight. It can also prevent you from losing weight, whether it's the result of high levels of the stress hormone cortisol, unhealthy stress-induced eating behaviors, or a combination of two. The link between stress and weight gain is glaring right at you. Let's talk about the link between stress and cortisol. When in stress, glucose is released in the bloodstream. This happens as adrenaline and cortisol are released due to the perceived stress. Now, because of this, glucose is released to give you energy. You need to escape from the risky situation known as the fight or flight response. Is there any link between cortisol and sugar? Let's see. Since sugar supplies instant energy and glucose is released in response to cortisol, brain identifies sugar as means to control cortisol. You reach out for the sugary food when you are stressed. This energy is stored mainly in form of abdominal fat, which can be particularly very hard to shed, and the vicious cycle starts. Get stressed, release cortisol, gain weight, crave for more sugar, eat more sugar, gain more weight. Now, cortisol slows down metabolism. Cortisol has an intricate relationship with hormone insulin, which controls our blood sugar. We know that. So when cortisol levels increase, the cells of our body can become resistant to insulin. This may lead to an increased blood sugar, weight gain and potentially type 2 diabetes, which we have already spoken about, right? So when cortisol levels drop excessively, this is known as adrenal exhaustion. If this occurs, the blood sugar levels may decrease, causing hypoglycemia linked with weight loss and a low stress tolerance. Both in high and low cortisol can trigger symptoms of low metabolism, such as feeling fatigued, depressed, cold, and experiencing decreased memory and poor concentration. Cortisol levels facilitates the optimal hormone production from our thyroid gland. Now, proper thyroid function helps to maintain a healthy metabolism, but both high and low levels of cortisol can impair the conversion of thyroid hormone from its inactive form to its active form. This results in a low thyroid situation, causing weight gain and the symptoms of poor metabolism. Stress leads to disordered eating and eating disorders. We will talk about them in the next week. Till then, read the articles that I have attached to understand the role of stress and weight. Hope this helps, that in spite all the efforts why your weight is stuck, this will help you understand that. So let's aim to lead a stress-free life, or rather should I say, let's aim to manage our stressors better, look at being positive and managing our stress in a way that we have a positive outlook towards life, towards health, and so that is why I keep saying, stay healthy, stay happy, be your best version and Let's see what I'm going to talk about in our next video.